तो अब मैं चाहूँगी आपसे एक ऐसे डॉक्टर से मिलवाना जिन्होंने, मैं थोड़ा सा उनके बारे में आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती हूँ. ही इज़ डॉक्टर माथुर, a physician who has dedicated more than 18 years in service of public health, medicine, mankind, science and research. Wow. A doctor involved in not only physical disabilities but also social issues associated with the PT. He has also worked as former resident of RML. So PGI Delhi Safdarjung Hospital and Medical College Delhi, currently working as Senior Medical Officer NDMC, taken care of OP Daisy Emergency Ward Mobile Ambulance Services, Health Camp, and has taken charge of different NDMC dispensaries as ex-in charge of Sarojini Nagar Dispensary. Has played important role in controlling dengue fever as nodal officer for dengue fever. He is advisor for several companies where advises them on clinical trials because of his qualification of fellowship in clinical research. None other than Mr. Mathur.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow would-be colleagues and doctor. I already think that you have planned and decided that you want to be a doctor, and today I welcome you all as my future colleagues. What I would like to start with is I became a doctor because I dreamt, as you all must be dreaming, and I feel that I am sitting somewhere here around 16 years ago, but I am so jealous that inspiring mind was not there at that time to guide me, and I had faced many problems, and luckily I have cleared those hurdles at that time. But you people are very lucky that you have doctors like Dr. Ashray and his team to guide you and to clear these obstacles which are sometimes unexpected, to guide you at each and every point. At your age, I used to dream about being a doctor just because of this white apron. And today, this white apron has given me a lot of power. Power to heal and power to help. So, when I was of your age, I used to feel about my future, think about my future. I used to dream that I will be wearing a white apron with a stethoscope. In social status, I used to feel that I will be helping mankind, sick, poor, needy. And of course, my financial condition will be better than now, better than that time. And I will be leading my life in a, you can say, luxurious way. And regarding this, my teacher used to tell me one thing I think you will appreciate, that once you become a doctor, for the first 5 years, you work for your reputation. And then for whole your life, your reputation will work for you. And that is what I have followed, and that is what has helped me till now. Even though I am in a government setup, there are people who queue in for me, who want to show me as in private setup. Because I have worked passionately and result-orientedly, giving them cure as fast as possible and thinking about their families, their social economic condition, keeping everything in mind to give them fastest relief. And I can see that that reputation is working nowadays, and it is working in my favor. I have done my medicine from Vinnytsia, Ukraine. And as you all know, USSR is a world power, was a world power. And Vinnytsia, Ukraine, luckily I went there due to some circumstances, and as there were no guidances, so we had to clear these hurdles of food, of cold weather, of transportation, all the problems which we have in India, but they are almost 1,000 times lesser than India. In India, going in a bus or in a car, you face a lot of traffic problems, you can face a lot of issues. In food is not a problem because it's our native food. Their food was a problem at that time, but I luckily found a a lady who used to cook for me and who used to bring food for me. For transport, our whole group of 8 students, out of that 5 of us jointly took a car, because the hospitals used to be around 5 to 10 and tuberculosis dispensary used to be around 20 kilometers out of the city. So we used to travel in car together, and like this, with teamwork, helping each other out, we solved those problems. But we made a team when we reached there. But you have a team right here from start till you become a PG, postgraduate, or you settle down. So that is the best thing about IM and their team, and I'm really feeling very jealous of you guys that you have such an opportunity, and they'll help you at each and every step. I am a part of their team, and whatever help we can give you, whatever support we can give you, we are always there.